Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram post, stories, reels, live streams, notification not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on connection and sharing. Again click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile network. Reset your network. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram notification or Instagram reels, post, stories, notification not working problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.